I'm absolutely done. I'm not going back to a hair salon. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel where I break down the fundamentals of my hair care. Guys, it's relaxer day. Hello. As usual, I'm nervous and I'm still excited because I've stretched my relaxer for, I think today makes 16 weeks. OMG, 16 weeks post relaxer. Trust me, there's a lot going on up in there. So of course, this is my first time self-relaxing. If you haven't checked out my previous relaxer update or my previous hair update, do check that out because there I go into details about why I've decided to self-relax. When I say self-relax, I'm not necessarily relaxing it myself. My mom is going to be helping me with it. Last night or yesterday afternoon, I spent most of my time actually prepping my hair. So I think it was Hairlicious that came up with this method of pre-parting and pre-sectioning your hair into little twists to sort of help the process go by a lot quicker. And so I did that. It is time consuming, I would say that, but at the same time, I think it does so much for your hair, and it does so much for me as someone who's on their healthy hair journey. Going through the process, I would say I prefer it like this. I'm not gonna sit here and act as if my hair is in a superb state. My new growth tends to come in very hard and very dry, and so that is one of the issues I normally have when I head to the salon. They have no regard, and it's not just my local salon, it's every salon that I've been to in the UK. It's either in the UK or here. They just literally just rip through my hair. It's as though they treat my hair as though, oh, your hair is supposed to be soft. But in truth and in fact, it's not. My new growth comes in really hard and coarse. And so parting yesterday was a little bit of a struggle, but I took my time. And I know in my heart of hearts that I did not lose as much hair as what I'm accustomed to losing when I'm at the salon. So kudos to Hairlicious for coming up with this method. What I would say as well is parting your hair in sections allows you to really get a feel of your hair. And I say that because guys, you know I have this under processed area back here. So I have it here sectioned off so that mommy would know where to apply the relaxer down the length of my hair. But going through it as well, I realized that I had a little under processed area up here as well. And I'm just like, I stepped out of the bathroom, went into my bedroom, looking in different mirrors to really just assess whether or not I really have under processed hair up there. And I just did not know until the day before my relaxer. Of course, had I gone to a hairstylist, I would not have known. I'm also very happy that I'll be getting a sense of how these products really leave my hair. So I'm actually utilizing the Dark and Lovely relaxer kit again. I did mention that some person said it had, it made the hair feel a little bit hard and dry afterwards. But now that I'm going to be controlling the process, I get to really determine, okay, is the protein treatment leaving my hair sort of way? Is the deep conditioning or moisture treatment leaving my hair sort of way? And so if I'm feeling that things are a little bit off, then it's my call. It's my call to then utilize products that I know work for my hair so I can always switch it up, right? But yeah, guys, that is just a quick update on my hair going into my relaxer this morning. Me and my mom already strategized. Imagine, we strategized. We're like queued up watching our relaxer videos. But yeah, I'm getting ready to relax my hair at home and I'm excited. I'm really excited. I hope it comes out really well. So yeah, I'll see you guys when it's all finished. And hey guys, so it's the next day after my very first self relaxer, and can you see? I am absolutely elated with how the process went. But before we get into the process, let's just rewind and let's just talk a little bit about my stretch and how I thought my stretch went. So my stretch in general went well. This was a stretch that was outside of the norm. I stretched for 15 weeks. Normally I stretch for 12 weeks, but because I installed some braids in my hair, I was able to stretch it a little longer. Did it end up hurting my hair? No, I don't think so. But I think if I had waited an extra week, it would have. I was was starting to experience a little bit of breakage during my relaxer week. So I'm happy that I relaxed at the time that my hair was telling me it's time to get a relaxer. I did some basic styles throughout the 15 weeks, you know, my usual high buns, my low buns. I was rocking a lot of curly hairstyles, my twist outs, my braid out. Of course, I loved when I inserted my braids because it added, you know, a needed change to my look. So I enjoyed that. I would say in general, if I had to rate my 15-week stretch out of 10, I would give it a 7.5. I thought it went really well. My new growth was not so much of an issue. I started utilizing the S curl as a moisturizer for my new growth, and I think it has been working quite well for me. When I first started using it, I was like, but as the weeks progressed, it started to leave my hair really soft, and because it was getting on my scalp as well, I realized that I wasn't having as much of an issue with dandruff or flakes or dry scalp, whatever you want to call it. So I felt good about that. So it was a good 15 weeks. Yes. Now on to what happened yesterday, the day of my relaxer. So my mom was actually the one who relaxed my hair. Kudos to her. Like, kudos to her. I think I'm done with the hair salon. I'm absolutely done. I'm not going back to a hair salon unless it's to get a cut. But in terms of my relaxer process, my mother is going to be doing my relaxers from here forth. Granted that we did meet up a few difficulties here and there, but for the most part, she did a really good job. I thought my hair processed really nicely. The twisting, the pre-twisting technique, amazing, just amazing. Salute, Hairlicious, just really salute. It made the process really good. Guess what, guys? My underprocessed areas are no more. My underprocessed areas have been processed, and my hair feels as though it's all one texture. But I'm gonna wait until my next wash day just to determine, but from where I'm sitting right now, my hair is all one texture. It feels so good. Now, let's talk about the relaxer. This relaxer kit has been getting a lot of blows. So people tend to talk a little negatively about the Dark and Lovely relaxer kit. I'm going to speak on my experience with utilizing what products I utilize within the kit, because I'm stating it clearly, I did not utilize all the products within the relaxer kit. I utilized the relaxer, I utilized the protein treatment, and the neutralizing shampoo. So let me give my experience with all three of those products. So the relaxer, did I get burns? I did. I got some really minor burns, nothing to even come to you and speak about, but it was all because of me and my negligence. I was busy taking TikTok videos and left it in my hair for like an extra 5-7 minutes. So I did end up with a little bit of a burn here and here. Nothing to talk about. The relaxer in itself is quite gentle. I know in the past, if I had used another relaxer, I would have been burning at the time of smoothing. So I'm happy with how that went. When I was neutralizing my hair, I washed my hair 3 times and I left the neutralizer on my hair for about 5 minutes on the 3rd wash. My hair felt stripped. Of course, it's a neutralizing shampoo. It's supposed to just rid your hair of the relaxer. But I said, you know what? Let me go in with my Motions neutralizing shampoo, because that has a color code. So when it's pink, you know that there's still product in your hair. And when it's white, you know that the product has been removed. Girl, after 3 long washes, tell me why there was still product in my hair, you know? And I was questioning whether or not I should really use the Motions, but I don't know what sent me to use it, but I'm really happy that I did. I was seeing pink everywhere, and it just brought me back to my last relaxer day at my hair salon, and the fact that maybe when she rinsed, all of the chemical was not rinsed out, and that could be why my hair had this weird, or continues to have this weird texture at the back. So, you know, I'm really happy that I've taken control of my whole hair journey. I'm not placing any particular aspect of my journey in the hands of someone else, but my hair at the end of my wash day felt incredibly soft. The protein treatment left my hair like how a protein treatment will leave my hair. It wasn't soft, it wasn't hard, but it felt, I think people describe it as your hair feels strong. I don't know how to describe strong hair, but my hair felt like how a protein treatment should leave your hair, right? I didn't use the balancing moisturizing conditioner because I don't know, I didn't want any surprises on this relaxer day. So I stuck with products that I'm familiar with. So I went in with my Joyco Recovery Balm. That never fails me. That's a mixture of moisture and and protein together. That left my hair feeling so soft, guys. I felt like I had a totally different head of hair. My hair felt ridiculously soft and moisturized. I then went in with some leave-ins and blow dried my hair, and here we go. This is the result. I inserted some flexi rods and I wrapped my hair last night, and here we have the final results of my relaxer, and I am beyond satisfied, guys. Now, as you can see, I did have some split ends, I did have some unevenness, and I don't want to say it's split ends in general. It was a lot of uneven ends. For the 15 weeks that I was stretching, this area continued to break, the underprocessed area, and so instead of me dusting, a lot of the times I went in and I cut. So the back of my hair is incredibly shorter than the rest of my hair. I would say if the back of my hair is at this length, the rest of my hair is down here. So of course, if the rest of your hair is longer than the back of your hair, you know, in the middle, you're going to see some see-through ends. And I'm okay with that because I know that my hair is not unhealthy. I know that it's not as a result of split ends. My mom did try to even it up a little bit, and I could have cut off a little bit more to make everything one length, but I think that my hair would grow in eventually, and as I proceed throughout the year, I will clip and clip and clip until I get all of my hair at one length. But for the most part, I'm gonna keep my hair as is. I'm not gonna cut my hair and get all scissor happy every month because I'm so obsessed with perfect looking ends. I think I have to reach the realization that your ends are never gonna be perfect, girl, and if you keep on cutting your hair, you're never gonna achieve the length that you're after. But I'm very happy with how my hair has turned out, and I will continue to use my Dark and Lovely kit, and my mom will continue to relax my hair. Thank you again, moms. You did an absolutely amazing job. So you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Of course, if you haven't yet already, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with a friend, girl, and tell a friend to stop over on my channel. We're trying to upload videos almost every single Sunday. So until next week Sunday, guys, take care. Bye.